Guys, here's a quick tip. I actually have one I don't think anybody has ever done on YouTube. At least I hope this is my own tip. When you're setting hinges or screws, when you're setting the small screws and hinges, instead of trying to drill a pocket for it, setting them all, what I do is I take my screwdriver bit, the Phillips bit, and I just center it up in the hole like this, and then I run the drill trying to maintain center in that hole. And what that does is that gives me a really nice little pocket in that conical point there. It automatically centers the screw, gives you a recess, gets rid of the extra material, makes it really easy. Now you can do this with larger hinges or smaller hinges, and instead of buying a special bit, makes it really fast. This works with any softwood or hardwood. Now it doesn't compensate for woods that tend to split, but as you can see, it does a really nice job of clearing out the material and giving your screw a nice pocket to slide right into and center. Pretty slick. So I'm hoping that nobody has done this tip, and this is my very own quick tip on setting your screws. Let me know if you guys have seen this done somewhere else. There it is. There it is, slick as can be. Everything's lined up nice and straight. My quick tip. Thanks for watching.
Are you videotaping still? We're good? No, don't put your fingers in front of it, honey. Alright, hit stop. Alright, hit stop.